Hey guys, we're back with a new set of amazing tools and gadgets for your room and home. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. And let us know in the comments which gadgets you'd like to see in our next videos. This decor is a lot smaller but no much less eye-catching with this enchanting radiance. It'll include great warm light to your interior. The branches are flexible so you can position them in various ways, producing lovely ornaments. Each of them is 32 inches high, but you can additionally check out the larger variations including some full-sized trees. The gadget's waterproof so you're free to utilize it outside. The integrated timer keeps the light on for 6 hours and after that transforms it off to rest for a while. This saves you some power as well as prevents getting too hot. The branches are battery powered so you will not need any kind of additional cable televisions. Next, these curtain lights are fairly useful and exceptionally simple to use. They produce cozy white light. That's the best for a holiday evening. Each system consists of greater than 300 LED lights. There are 7 dynamic light settings to pick from. The power cable is 9.8 feet long so you can quickly connect it in anywhere. Next, if you ever before want to own a star, now you can ultimately do it. This extraordinary lamp is a tiny item of space in your room. It includes a minimal wooden stand, or you can hang the lamp utilizing the ring at the bottom. The built-in clever LED supports 16 various colors and also different brightness levels. You can change the settings using the consisted of remote or touch-sensitive switches. Thanks to the energy-reliable LED light, the lamp stays great even after a number of hours of use. Talking that it runs up to 10 hours on a single charge. The USB cord is consisted of in the package. Currently you can accumulate a tiny world. Next, that sticks out with its uncommon teardrop shape. Each device contains 30 LEDs and is 14 and also a half feet long. The lights are entirely water resistant so you can utilize them outdoors in any type of climate. There are 8 gorgeous illumination settings to choose from. Changing in between them with a solitary button is truly easy. The integrated light sensing unit permits the gadget to switch on at night and also switch off during the day. Immediately, an additional fantastic feature is zero power usage. Exactly how's that feasible? The lights are outfitted with a solar panel that takes in power during the day. You must additionally look into these icicle lights. The white LEDs make them look pretty reasonable, plus the expandable design allows you to link more than 100 devices. And also they're additionally waterproof. Both choices look amazing. Next, not all speakers can bring you truly immersive stereo sound. These 2 pocket-sized speakers give you that chance. They both feature an impressive transparent layout, however it will not constantly stay that plain. The incorporated LED lights make the speakers glow with various colors. The most up-to-date Bluetooth 5.0 gives you quick and dependable connectivity with all your devices. You can also place SD cards or make use of the normal aux port. These speakers supply a 10-watt outcome power and boosted bass quality. The built-in microphone enables you to answer telephone calls while paying attention to songs. And there's a comparable design. The style is a bit different. With this rhombus pattern, the package consists of a solitary speaker, yet you can couple it with another one. Fortunately, this audio speaker is also waterproof, so both choices are pretty fantastic. Next, this lovely minimal lamp is matched both for job as well as relaxation. It sticks out with an one-of-a-kind magnetic button. To activate the lamp you need to connect 2 balls in the center with lots of modification alternatives. You can adjust your light during the day. The lamp easily switches over from cool to cozy light with a solitary faucet. Furthermore, there are 6 dimming levels which offer you exact brightness control. The lamp makes use of the most recent USB-C port for rapid as well as hassle-free charging. Once built, you can use the lamp also without a wire. You can select in between various color alternatives and also shapes. Next, if you wish to add a scientific ambiance to your space, you should take a look at this thing. It appears like a strange alchemy tool, yet this collection is rather regular. It's a globe-shaped barometer and an upright thermometer, however there's some actual science involved. The vivid balls inside television ascend and descend according to temperature changes. No electricity. Simply clever physics. Both gadgets are firmly placed to the wood base. A fantastic device for your work desk. Next, this set's for those of you who like paying attention to music in the most effective top quality. It's a pre-amplifier that'll assist you play music in pro-degree layouts. It additionally permits gain adjustment with 3 various degrees: 39, 42 as well as 45 decibels. In addition to that, the tool is outfitted with stereo RCA input and output ports, so it's suitable for premium turntables, but for normal use there's a basic aux port too. You can play songs from your phone, tablet, computer or laptop. Most notably, this point is very small. You'll need some room on your desk for a decent pair of speakers. Next, bear in mind those fidget spinners everybody had a few years ago. below something comparable yet far more entertaining. The spinning orbit is geared up with 4 LED lights that can make a remarkable show in the right hands. It's fairly very easy to begin playing around, yet you can grasp your skills to do some really outstanding methods. The lights support 20 shades as well as 16 flashing patterns such as flowers, phasers and springs aside from the orbit itself. You get 2 comfy manages and a thick satin string that'll endure any type of performance. The tool is light as well as exceptionally small, so you can carry it with you and also exercise your abilities on the move. Next, this lighting gadget is type of a board game. It comes as a DIY kit, so you'll need to tinker it a little to accomplish that excellent appearance. Well, the guidelines are truly exact as well as include just 6 actions. Consequently, you'll obtain a totally functioning lamp with 256 LED lights in it. It supports a huge variety of shades and also illumination patterns, and also you can also utilize a remote to switch over in between them. Have a look at this clairvoyance design. The suggestion is precisely the exact same. Although this lamp is a lot more compact and also a little bit simpler to put together. It's a great developing toy for children.